home. Oh, look! Guys, we needed to restart because somebody went into our gear thingy. Okay, guys, be fast now! Can we go that way? Skip the doctor.
Nobody knows you're out of control, but I see a sign.
The song is Mango. The song is sad, like the music video. I can tell you something very, very important. I know how we Mango. Do you know like the song Animal like the music video too? Yeah, I know. I just I mean, it's like better than the others we have. Like we're going forward. Can I taste you one of those? Just sit down, please. Oh, you look weird. He's so small. Wait, he's so short. Because you're so tall. Yeah, you look super big. But I didn't mean like that way. I meant like you're...
No other baddie like me.
Yeah, I didn't mean like the bad way.
Few moments later.
Yeah, the hollow eyes. Honestly, super fun. Hey, it's Raspberry again, and it's honestly super boring. I don't know why I said it was super fun. People will never go there and we'll never have to treat him. Completely. Wow. I know, so if we do that later and we get like room 8 or 7 or 6 on him, we never have to do one of those. If we get customers to all of the rooms, we never have to go to the shop now. Okay. Raspberry. That you belong to me or Mango? The cat the side and it picked
Few moments later.
I think Rathiel belongs to everyone that is kind. Yes. Hey guys, we stopped.